Hi, we are from At Home Tuition. In this video, we are going to see few examples on finding probabilities with different questions when a die is thrown and when two coins are tossed. Our first question is, when a die is thrown, find the probabilities of getting a prime number, not a prime number, a number greater than 5, a number not greater than 5, an even number, and an odd number. So we know that a die has 6 faces. So namely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Each number is numbered on one face. So when a die is thrown, we may get any one number from this 1 to 6. So the total outcome is 6. Okay, so this is all the very important thing. Now we'll move to our first question. Find the probability of getting a prime number. So we know that a die has numbers from 1 to 6 and the prime numbers between 1 to 6 are 2, 3 and 5. So we know that probability formula is total number of possible outcomes divided by number of outcomes. So now we'll write the formula for probability of getting a prime number. So outcome of getting a prime number divided by total number of numbers. So if you see here, we know that there are 3 prime numbers. So there are possibility for 3 prime numbers. So total number of possible outcomes for prime number is 3 and the total number of numbers is 6. Therefore, the probability of getting a prime number is 3 divided by 6. So if you simplify that, you will get 1 divided by 2. So thus the probability of getting a prime number is 1 divided by 2. Our next question is, find the probability of not getting a prime number. So we know that from the die we have 1 to 6 and the numbers that are not prime are 1, 4 and 6. So the outcomes of an event of getting not a prime number is 1, 4 and 6. So totally we have 3 numbers. So the probability formula is total number of possible outcomes divided by number of outcomes. So probability of getting not a prime number is outcome of not getting a prime number divided by total number of numbers. So we know that there are 3 non-prime numbers. So total number of possible outcomes for non-prime numbers is 3. And total number of numbers in a die is 6. So therefore the probability of getting not a prime number is 3 divided by 6. So if you simplify that, you will get 1 divided by 2. So thus the probability of getting not a prime number is 1 divided by 2. So prime number is also 1 divided by 2 and not a prime number is also 1 divided by 2. Next question is, find the probability of getting a number greater than 5. So we know that die has 6 numbers 1 to 6, each number in one face of the die, and the number that is greater than 5 is only one number, that is 6. So thus the outcome of an event getting a number greater than 5 is only one number, 6. So we know the probability formula, total number of possible outcomes divided by number of outcomes. So probability of getting a number greater than 5 is equal to, we are rearranging the formula for our question. So the formula is outcome of getting a number greater than 5 divided by total number of numbers. So the outcome of number getting greater than 5 is only 1. So that is number of possible outcome divided by total number of numbers is 6. So we are going to apply this in our formula. So the probability of getting a number greater than 5 equal to 1 divided by 6. Next question is, find the probability of getting a number not greater than 5. So we know that the numbers which are not greater than 5 in a die are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So thus there are 5 outcomes which are not greater than 5. So now we are going to apply this in the formula. So that is probability equal to total number of possible outcomes divided by number of outcomes. And probability of getting a number not greater than 5 is, so the outcome of getting a number not greater than 5 divided by total number of numbers. So we know that there are 5 numbers which are not greater than 5. So the formula is 5 divided by 6. If you apply it, you will get 5 divided by 6. So thus the probability of getting a number not greater than 5 is 5 divided by 6. Next question is, find the probability of getting an even number. So first we have to look into the die and we have to find how many even numbers are there in the die. So we know that die has numbers 1 to 6 and the even numbers are 2, 4 and 6. So the outcomes of an even, getting an even number is 2, 4 and 6. Now we are going to apply this in the probability formula. So probability of getting an even number is outcome of getting an even number divided by total number of numbers. So we know that there are 3 even numbers and there are totally 6 numbers. So we are going to apply this in the formula. So probability of getting an even number equal to 3 divided by 6. So if you simplify this, you will get 1 divided by 2. So thus the probability of getting an even number is 1 divided by 2. Next question is find the probability of getting an odd number. So the number of odd numbers in the die are 1, 3 and 5. So totally there are 3 numbers. So the outcome of an even, getting an odd number is 3. So now we are substituting that in the formula. Probability of getting an odd number equal to outcome of getting an odd number divided by total number of numbers. So the outcome of getting an odd number is 3 numbers and total number of numbers is 6 numbers. So now we are going to substitute this in the formula. So the probability of getting an odd number equal to 3 divided by 6, and if you simplify that, you will get 1 divided by 2. So thus the probability of getting an odd number when your die is thrown is 1 divided by 2. Next question is find the probability of getting 2 heads when a coin is tossed twice. So we know that a coin has 2 faces, head and tail. So the probability formula also we know that total number of possible outcomes divided by number of outcomes. So we are rewriting the formula as per our question. So the question is probability of getting 2 heads when a coin is tossed twice, which is equal to outcome of getting 2 heads divided by total number of possibilities. So now when a coin is tossed twice, the possible outcomes are first time you toss, you may get head in the first coin and head in the second coin too. So that is head. Then if you toss the second time, it may, that is first coin you may head and then your second coin you may get tail. Then the first coin you may get tail and the second coin you may get head. Then both the coins you may get tail. So there are totally 4 possibilities. Okay. And the outcome of getting 2 heads, you have only 1 chance to get the 2 heads. So outcome of getting 2 heads is 1 and total number of possibilities is 4. So now we are substituting this in our formula. So if you substitute in the formula, the possibility of getting 2 heads is 1 divided by total number of possibilities is 4. So thus the possibility of getting 2 heads when a coin is tossed twice is 1 divided by 4. So next question is find the probability of getting 2 tails when a coin is tossed. So now we will rewrite the formula for our question. So probability of getting 2 tails when a coin is tossed twice is equal to outcome of getting 2 tails divided by total number of possibilities. So if you look into the possible outcomes, the outcomes are head tail, tail head, tail tail. So 2 tails you have only 1 chance. So the outcome of getting 2 tails is 1 and total number of possibilities is 4. So if you substitute this in the formula, you will get 1 divided by 4. So thus the probability of getting 2 tails when a coin is tossed is 1 divided by 4. Next question, find the probability of getting 1 head when a coin is tossed twice. So now our formula will become outcome of getting 1 head divided by total number of possibilities. So now if you look into our chances, outcome of getting 1 head is you may get 2 times, either first head and then tail or head. So you have 2 chances. Outcome of getting 1 head, you have 2 chances. So total number of possibilities is the same, that is 4. So the probability of getting 1 head when a coin is tossed twice is 2 divided by 4. If you simplify that, you will get 1 by 2. Thus the probability of getting 1 head when a coin is tossed twice is 1 divided by 2. Next question is find the probability of getting 1 tail when a coin is tossed twice. So we rewrite the formula for our question. Probability of getting 1 tail when a coin is tossed twice is equal to outcome of getting 1 tail divided by total number of possibilities. So if you look into the possible outcomes, you have head tail, tail head, tail tail. So to get 1 tail, you have 2 chances, head tail or tail head. So the outcome of getting one tail is equal to 2 and the total number of possibilities is 4. Now if you substitute in this formula, you will get 2 divided by 4. That if you simplify, you will get 1 divided by 2. So thus the probability of getting one tail when a coin is tossed twice is 1 divided by 2. Hope you have understood all the questions well. Thank you for watching the video.